How to remove Google Chrome notifications ad, or you can say the Google's Chrome pop-ups ad. So they can show here. Okay, you can see the pop-up ads or notification at your bottom right side in window. So how you can get right on this, I will show in this video tutorial. So guys, I'm going to show in my window, but this is the same process for all device. Like if you're using iPhone or Android phone, you can follow the same steps. Okay, so there is a little bit difference about settings only, but you can easily follow this step. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser first. So guys, this is my Chrome browser. So before we go ahead, we need to check whether our Chrome browser up to date or not. So if you're using the mobile phone, you can go to the Play Store or app provider section and up to date up to make the up to date your Chrome browser. But if you use the window, then we need to go in this three dot option, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome and here you can see your Chrome browser up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be start automatically updating when you come here, and after update you have to relaunch this browser. Then after relaunch, you can see you have to open this browser again. Just click on three dot option again, go to the settings, and at your left side there is a sidebar which is option sidebar, you can see. So first we go to the previous security, go to the settings, site settings. Under the permissions, we need to go in notifications. Okay, and first we need to go in notifications, and you have to check whether it is allow or not. This is allow for send notification, like the pop-ups or notification you can see here. So you have to disallow to send all notification, and you have to check is there any website in this section, because this is customized option. Okay, so maybe you by mistakenly add here one website. So you have to remove this. You will see the three dot option here, just click on it and remove from any website. Okay, because here in this section any website here, that's mean they can allow the allowed to send the notification to you even you have select this one. Okay, so this is customized option. You have to check here is there any website, just remove from here and select the don't allow the site to send notification. Okay, so this is for notification. You can remove or disallow all notification from here. And if you are getting the pop-ups, just come back and we need to go in pop-ups and redirects, and same as you have to select this don't allow the site and send pop-up redirects, and and same as you have to select this one. You have to check under this customized behavior, is there any website allowed here. This if there any website, you can see the three dot option here, just click on it and remove it from this section. Okay, and just come back. Now this is you have disallow all notification and pop-up ads from Chrome. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.